Welcome to Best Reviews. If you're chasing epic footage without a complicated setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 action cameras that deserve a spot in your kit. We'll go in descending order, so you can pick the right tool for your adventures. Let's dive in. Number 5. Insta360 GO Ultra. This tiny magnet-mounted camera is the champion of convenience. It lives on your shirt, your cap, your bike, basically anywhere, so you can capture hands-free POV without thinking about it. The GO Ultra shines for travelers, creators on the move, and anyone who values always ready above everything else. Snappy quick capture modes, clever auto editing, and a charging case that acts like a command center make it a joy to use. It won't replace a bigger cam for long, continuous shoots, but for moments you'd otherwise miss, the GO Ultra is a stealthy superhero. Number 4. Akaso 360. Ready to experiment? The Akaso 360 is all about capturing everything, literally. With 360-degree coverage, you can reframe later and turn one take into multiple angles for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. It's a playful camera. Set it, forget it, and find the shot in editing. Strengths include creative perspectives, invisible selfie stick effects, and an easy learning curve for first-time 360 users. If you want fresh, shareable angles without pro-level pricing, this is your sandbox. Number 3. SJCAM C400. If you're dipping your toes into action cameras, the C400 is the approachable pick. Think rugged build, simple menus, and solid everyday video for rides, hikes, and city exploring. It's light, easy to mount, and the battery gets you through a typical session without stress. The stabilization won't beat the top dogs, but for casual creators who want dependable clips without spending big, the C400 punches above its weight. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is the all-rounder that balances image quality, stabilization, and usability. Expect crisp, detailed footage, excellent horizon leveling, and robust battery performance. The body is tough, waterproof, and ready for cold mornings or dusty trails. Dual screens make framing easy, whether you're behind the lens or vlogging to camera, and the DJI mounting ecosystem keeps it versatile. If you want a camera that just works in almost any scenario, motovlogs, MTB, snorkeling, city B-roll, the Action 5 Pro is a safe bet that rarely needs fiddling. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black, the benchmark. The Hero 13 Black is the camera most people picture when they think action cam, and for good reason. It delivers best-in-class stabilization for buttery smooth shots, punchy colors straight out of camera, and a deep accessory ecosystem that covers helmets, boards, handlebars, and more. Low light performance and dynamic range are strong, and the interface is fast and familiar. Whether you're building a professional workflow, or just want the highest likelihood of wow footage on the first try, the Hero 13 Black remains the king of convenience, quality, and reliability. Which one fits your style? The budget starter, the creative 360, the tiny everyday cam, DJI's polished pro, or GoPro's do-it-all champ? Tell us in the comments which you'd pick and why. If this roundup helped, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. See you in the next one.